Hello, second grade. Today we're all going to be doing a little bit of review of several things because tomorrow I would like you, or on Friday, I would like you to take your quiz sometime this week. Take your quiz, okay? And I want to make sure you're feeling good about things. So let's say that we have a room, and our room is 4 feet by 7 feet. And in that room, we would like to put up a border along the top of the walls that's going to have flowers and bumblebees. It's really pretty border, but it's just going to go on the walls, not on the whole floor or the ceiling, just on the walls. How many feet of the border should we buy? Can you figure that out for me? And that's going to be the perimeter of the room. How many feet do we need to get that border for the perimeter of the room? Then I would like you to find out if we decide to put carpet down and we go to the carpet store, they're going to say, well, how many square feet of carpet do you need? So I also would like you to find out the area of this room so that we'll know how much carpet to buy. Okay? So go ahead. Pause that if you need to and write it down. Solve it for me. Okay. Let's say that you are trying to go to the store. Well, you're trying to make a cake. And the cake says that you're going to need some milk. It says you're going to need 3 cups of milk to put into the cake. Okay, so we need 3 cups of milk. Okay, and you don't normally drink milk. You don't need milk for anything else. You just need it for this cake. So if you went to the store and you wanted to pick up some milk, well, they don't just sell the milk in 3 cups. They've got, when you go to the store, they're going to have a gallon. Here are your choices. You can buy a gallon of milk. You can buy a quart of milk, or you could buy a pint of milk. Those are the options. Which one of those would make the most sense for you to buy if you only want to use 3 cups of milk? What would you go to the store and buy? And when you tell it to me, when you write it down, will you explain why you chose the gallon, the quart, or the pint? And remember, you only want to have enough for this cake. You don't want to use it for anything else, okay? So let me know which one makes the most sense to you. Okay. Let's say that you have decided to read a chapter book. You're really excited. It's pretty long. It's 284 pages all the way from the beginning to the end. And let's say you start reading, and let's say that so far you have read, let's say Dexter's reading this book, and Dexter has read 157 pages. So far, that's what he's read. How many more pages does he have left to read? How many more does he have left to read? See if you can solve that for me. Okay. Well, he does indeed finish the book, and he's so excited, and he talks to Quinn about it, and he's like, Quinn, this book is so good, you've got to go read it. Well, Quinn reads it. She thinks it's amazing, and she says, you know what? I want to get this book for a bunch of people. Like, this is so good, and she finds out that the author of this book has written 3 other books. So this author has written 4 books. Pretty amazing. She decides to get all 4 of those books for everyone in her reading group. So that means the rest of you, 5 of you, she decides there are 5 kids, you guys, because Quinn already has the book. She doesn't need them for herself. She's going to get them for the rest of you. She's going to give each of you those 4 books. So how many books is she going to have to buy so that all 5, the rest of you, can have those 4 books? Figure that out for me. Okay, great job. Okay, let's say that I have, let's say I have 50, no, let's say I have 63. What could I have 63 of? Maybe I have 63. What could be exciting? I'm looking around my house. 63 plants, little seedlings, right? That'll be exciting because it's spring. Let's plant some plants. I have 63 plants, okay? And I want to give some seedlings to 6 people. So this is how many seedlings I have. And I want to give them to 6 people. And I want to give those people the same amount of seedlings. I want to be fair. I don't want them to be upset. So I'm going to give them to 6 people. How many seedlings will each person get if they get the same amount? And will there be any left over? If so, how many will be left over? Okay. Solve that for me. Put it on Seesaw. You guys are doing an amazing job. And then please complete your quiz sometime this week and have your family send it to me. You're doing so great. Bye.